tiger is a large-hearted gentleman with boundless courage, and when he is exterminated, India will be poorer by having lost of the finest of her fauna. International Tiger Day is an annual celebration on 29 July to raise awareness for tiger conservation. It was created in 2010 at St. Petersburg Tiger Summit in Russia. The goal of Tiger Day is to promote a global system for protecting the natural habitats of tigers and to raise public awareness and support for tiger conservation issues. India counts the number of wild tigers every 4 years and showed a promising rise from 1,411 in 2006 to 2,967 in 2009. A tiger is a powerful carnivore, a hunter with sharp teeth, strong jaws, and a very agile body. Tigers are the largest of cat species in the world. It is the third largest carnivore on land after polar and brown bears. India has around 70% of the world's tiger population. The Bengal tiger was declared as the national animal of India in April 1973. Tigers occupy an important place in the Indian culture. Since ages, it has been a symbol of magnificence, power, beauty, fierceness, bravery, and valor. The tiger also has a significant place in Hindu mythology as the vehicle of goddess Durga. The oldest fossil of a tiger has been found in Sri Lanka. Possibly the first civilizations that included the tiger in their culture were Mohenjo-daro and Harappan, settled in the Indus Valley 5000 years ago. Royal Bengal tigers are the largest amongst other wild cats. The male tigers weigh up to 300 kilograms. The height of a male tiger is 8 to 10 feet and that of a female is 8 to 9 feet. A tiger's tail is about 3 feet long and helps them to balance when making runs. Tigers can sprint 60 kilometers an hour and they can leap forward at least 30 feet in a single jump. Tigers live between 20 to 25 years. A punch from a tiger may kill you. Tigers love to swim and play in the water. Tigers have antiseptic saliva. Tigers rarely roar, and if they do, you can hear its roar from up to 3 kilometers away. Tigers like to stay alone, but if they are together, they are called an ambush or a streak. Tigers imitate the call of other animals. It has been said that tigers make a pook sound similar to that of a samba to trap and kill. Tigers normally do not view humans as a prey. Tigers have stripes on their fur as well as on their skin. It means that if you shave off the fur of tigers, you would still see the stripes. The unique pattern of stripes on tigers acts like their identity, similar to human fingerprints. Tigers prefer doing most of their hunting activities at night. Their night vision is up to 6 times greater than humans. Tigers are one of the most humble species. Often it is seen in the wild that the male tigers allow the female and the cubs to eat first. Tigers hide behind bushes and attack their victim from behind. It is said that tigers are less likely to attack when we see them. If you come across such a situation, it is best to walk backwards while constantly looking into the tiger's eyes. An adult tiger can eat up to 40 kgs of meat in a day. It will often stay with its kill or bury it and eat for 4 or 5 days. The tigers can eat a variety of diet and can feast on anything that comes its way, like a wild boar, deer, bear, bird, rhino, crocodile, fish, buffalo, and even leopard. Why do we need to save the tiger? Tigers are responsible for the well-being of the forests. Being on top of the food chain, the tiger preys on herbivorous animals and thereby keeping their population in check. Without predators like the tiger, herbivorous animals would destroy the jungles. The fear of tigers and other predators prevents people from entering the jungle and cutting down trees to make a living from farming, logging, or industrial purposes. Saving tiger will also help save the following. Forest. The presence of tigers motivate governments to help protect the forests. Freshwater tiger landscapes overlap 9 major watersheds that provide water for as many as 830 million people in Asia. Protecting tigers and their landscapes means protecting vital freshwater sources. Other wildlife. Tiger habitats are home to many animals. When we can save the tiger and its territory, we can help save many other species. Endangered tribes and languages. Around one-fourth of the endangered languages are spoken by the tribes residing in the territory of the tiger. It indirectly means that conserving tiger habitat will help survival of tribes across Asia. What can we do to save the tigers? Spread the word. Tell others that the tiger and its habitats are under threat and that they need our help. Be a responsible tourist. Follow the Forest Department's guidelines when visiting any forest area. Voice your concerns. If you are really concerned and feel that more needs to be done for tiger conservation, then write polite letters to the decision makers. Help prevent wildlife trade. Say no to tiger trade by refusing to buy tiger parts and items prepared from tiger derivatives. Speak to poachers and persuade them to give up poaching. If you know of any information on poaching or trade of illegal wildlife, inform the local law enforcement agencies. Reduce pressure on natural resources by reducing the use of products derived from forests such as timber and paper. And if you have liked this video, please do like, share, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you guys. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.